Okay. So we'll study pressure due to a liquid column. So we are taking a vessel and we are filling with water. Okay. And I have a small cylinder. It's an imaginary cylinder. Imaginary, okay, whose height is h, okay, and the area is a. So a vessel is filled with a liquid, okay, and we have to calculate the pressure by an imaginary cylinder, okay, of cross section area inside the container. How much pressure this cylinder exerts on this area? So we are taking the density of the fluid to be rho. It's called rho, R-H-O, okay, and the height to be h and the area to be a, okay. The liquid column exerts a force F equal to mg, which is its weight. That means if I consider, if I imagine a cylinder, the water is also filled completely. So if a liquid is filled inside the cylinder, so what is the force exerted by the liquid? That is nothing but the weight of the liquid. Yes or no? Yes or no? The liquid has some
Yes,
mass.
sir.
So because it has some mass, obviously because of gravity, it will apply a force mg downward direction. That is nothing but mg. Is it clear? On the bottom,
Yes, sir.
of
Clear.
the cylinder. So the force exerted on the bottom of the cylinder is the mg. It is the weight of the liquid. Understood? Which is the downward direction.
Yes,
Yes or no?
sir.
So if I say pressure, can I say pressure to be F by A by definition? Yes or no? By definition, can we say
Yes,
it is
sir.
F by A? So if it is F by A, can be, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If F equal to mg, so can I put the value of equation 1 in equation 2? So can I write F equal to mg by A? Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
And you know that density is nothing but mass per volume. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Huh? So can I say mass equal to density into volume? If density equal to mass
Yes.
per volume, so can't I say mass equal to density into volume?
Yes, sir.
That means I can put here, instead of mass, density into volume into gravitational G divided by A. Any issue in this? Any issue in this? Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then what will happen? I know what is my density is rho, and what is the volume, the height and the volume. You know what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h. Yes or no?
R square H.
Pi r square
Yes,
h.
sir.
What is pi r square? Pi r square is the area of the circle and h is the
Circle.
height. So already we know area is a and h is the height. So what is density? Density is rho, volume is h, and g by a. Is it clear? How did we get this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
What about others? Till now, is it clear? How did we get this? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
area is common. It get deducted. So what is the pressure? Rho into H into G. That means the pressure due to liquid of density rho at a depth h is this much. So if I say that there is a well which is has water from here till this much, no well has completely water filled. They will have at a certain height. Yes or no? Yes or no? And obviously well is
Yes,
like a
sir.
cylinder. If I want to calculate what is the amount of pressure this liquid exerts on the downward or the bottom of the well, then you measure how much is the height of the liquid. You know height. Obviously, this is water. You already know the density of the water, and G is constant. So you will get the value of the pressure it exerts. So what did we see? Now tell me, if pressure equal to rho into H into G, so can I say that if I am here, this is P1, if I am here, this is P2, can I say the at the point 2, the pressure at 2 is greater than pressure at 1?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because the height is more. Here the height is less. Once I go downward, the height is more. And if I take a point 3, the pressure is maximum here. Pressure is maximum here. That is why submarines, submarines, they always remains inside the water. Yes or no? Submarines are built in such a way to withstand that much pressure, because submarines do not float on water like ship. They are always how? Inside the water. You agree with me or not? Do you agree
Yes,
with
sir.
me or not? So there is a movie called Ghazi Attack. I don't know how many of you have seen. Do see that movie. It's an amazing movie, Ghazi Attack, where our Indian submarine, okay,
Sir, I
destroyed,
have seen that movie.
destroyed PNS Ghazi. PNS Ghazi was the most powerful submarine. India is like this, Pakistan is here, and Vishakhapatnam port is here. They wanted to go and attack in Vishakhapatnam port. We had some naval carrier here, okay, and we came to know through a lady. There is a movie which called Razi. So Razi, and first this movie came and this movie came. Ideally, this should come and this should come later. So Razi, in the Razi movie, they came to know through our sources that India, Pakistan is going to attack. They got some information, and they already had a submarine here to counter attack here to PNS Ghazi. Okay, and PNS Ghazi was attacked, and it got immersed in the Vishakhapatnam. It got drowned, and the complete got destroyed. And Pakistan never, normally in a way, Pakistan never accepts it defeat. So they said that Pakistan lost due to some technical error. The PNS Ghazi were destroyed, but actually it was destroyed by our Indian submarine. So you see that movie, you will come to know, and you will see there how the pressure, because the pressure is something which pushes you downwards. So there has to be gas chambers which should withstand, we should negate it. The upward pressure should be negated from the downward pressure. So they have the gas chambers which will liberate gas, and that's how they can withstand pressure. And Indian submarine had already lost that. So, but still they won, and nobody knew about that war. That was a war which was fought inside water, unlike other wars where we come to know. Because this war is completely inside water, nobody knows. Pakistan, as usual, Pakistan never accepts. So that's why. So there are many wars which are fought which nobody knows. Like we see a movie. There was a movie which came like what is that movie? What which came Akshay Kumar, that he was a he was a Sikh. Yes or no? One movie came. Teri mitti se mar jawa. Have you seen that movie? That was a war
Kesari.
battle. Uh,
The Kesari.
Kesari, yes. So that was a battle which was fought. Nobody knows. All those people died. They sacrificed their life for the motherland. They were British. They were actually the soldiers of British Empire. But they said that we are not fighting for British. We are fighting for our people, for our country. They could have easily fled. Even the British officers told them, please run away. You please run away. Don't worry. But they didn't bother to run away. They thought that we should fight. Okay, and they died. But that battle nobody knew. So there are many battles which are fought. I know I digress somewhere, from somewhere, because everything is linked. So I was talking about pressure. So see this movie Ghazi Attack, you'll come to know how the pressure increases massively when you go downward. Okay, so it is, that's why the sailors, not sailors, the people who go down sea diving, it is not easy to sea dive, because when you go much lower, you will not be able to withstand the pressure. Understood? So it is not always easy to go deep dive. Deep sea dive includes lot of, have you seen the sea divers which go underwater, they will have some machines on their back. Have you seen some machine on
Yes,
their,
sir.
what is that? That machine is
Oxygen
actually
machine.
to negate, one is oxygen and there is something called pressure chambers, so that will negate the pressure which come downwards. They will something have something which will go throw a pressure upward to negate it. We can withstand 1 atm pressure. It's called 1 atm. Our atmosphere air exerts a pressure on us, that is 1 atm. But if the pressure is more, then we will not be able to stand, we will fall down, we'll get pressed. But that is not the case in the where, inside water, because of height, because of the density. Okay, and because of height it changes, and that's why you, in order to negate you, it is not easy to sea dive without a suit. You need a separate suit to wear and then sea dive. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what did we see, what did we infer from this, what we studied? This one, imaginary cylinder, I had H here. So what does pressure depend on? Pressure depends only on what? On what?
Density.
Density of liquid and height of.
Liquid.
It does not depend on what? Area. Area of the what? Area of what? The cylinder. Understood? Area of the cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Does not depend. From the formula, it is clear. It only depends on the rho, density of the liquid. It can be anything. It can be honey, it can be water, it can be kerosene. Based on the types of liquid, the density will vary. If the density varies, the pressure varies. So pressure depends only on the density and on the height of the liquid, how much it is filled. Why not G? Because we consider G on Earth to be constant, 10 meter per second square. But if you take other planets, if you go to Mars, the G is different. If you go to Moon, G is still further different. Why? The Moon density G is 1/6 of Earth's G. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
That
sir.
a person who weighs 60 kgs on Earth will weigh 10 kg. Why? Because the G reduces 1/6. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So tomorrow we'll continue the chapter. I want to teach tomorrow also. Tomorrow be available same time, 8 p.m. Okay? Tomorrow be available 8 p.m. We'll continue the chapter.
Okay, sir.